Welcome! Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to unblock a space on Google Chat using your PC, especially with the latest update in mind. If you've accidentally blocked a space or want to reconnect with a group chat, this quick guide will get you back in no time. First things first, open your preferred web browser and go to Google's homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a grid of 9 dots, often called the Google Apps icon, located right next to your profile photo in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on those 9 dots to open the menu. From the options available, select Chat. This will take you directly to Google Chat, where all your conversations and spaces are organized. Now, here's an important part. Look towards the top right section of the chat interface and find the gear icon, which stands for Settings. Click on that gear to access your chat settings. Within the settings, find the option called Access Restrictions. Click on it to manage the people and spaces you've restricted in any way. Inside this section, you'll see a list titled Manage Blocked Conversations. This is where all the spaces you've blocked are stored, neatly organized for easy management. Now, to unblock a space, simply hover your mouse over the space you want to unblock. You'll see an option pop up. Click on Unblock. After you do this, that space will be instantly available again, allowing you to send and receive messages as before. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can quickly unblock any space on Google Chat right from your PC. No need to dig through complicated menus or settings. Everything is designed to be user-friendly and accessible. Thanks for watching.